Hey, what's up? This is Joe. In this video, I'm going to take you camping along the Florida Panhandle as I ride to the motorcycle rally in Panama City Beach, where we'll meet up with some interesting characters. Hey, look at this guy, fresh out of Mexico. Listen to some great live music. See some of the sights.
Okay, you know what? They didn't pay for the OnlyFans package.
And take in some cool motorcycle stunts at 850 Speed Shop. Panama City Beach rally is coming up next weekend. I got a couple of cool spots along the way, so I'm about ready to hit the road. From Crystal River, Florida, I headed west along the Panhandle towards Panama City Beach. As usual, I'd be traveling at a snail's pace and keeping an eye out for stealthy, out-of-the-way places to camp. So out here is like a spot that would work if all else fails. South is that way, so in a couple of minutes it's gonna get absolutely baked by the sun and it's gonna set somewhere over there, so I got no kind of shade whatsoever, but I'm gonna take a walk and see what's back here. Looks like a little bit of a trail. All right, it's not great. Got some Spanish moss hanging down up there, but still, this is gonna get absolutely baked. So this looks like probably the best spot out here. I got a good canopy with some deciduous trees up there. The only issue would be getting my bike turned around because I'll be coming in from that way. It's actually a lot lumpier than it looks on the video. So it'd be a little sketchy turning around, but I don't think it'd be anything too crazy. I'm in Perry, Florida, by the way, and I got another spot that I always use, which is behind some kind of a government building. I stopped there a couple years ago and asked if it was all right to camp in the back under the trees, and the lady said absolutely. Like I said, it was a couple years ago. I think what I'll probably do is go ahead and clear this out a little bit and make a defined path. That way, if something happens at my other spot, I got another spot to come to. I'm hanging out in this little park over that way. Yeah, over that way is a cool spot that I've stayed at when I've been on route. I got to talking to one of the ladies that works at this place, whatever it is. She's like, yeah, go ahead, throw your tent up, no problem. So I'm probably gonna wait till the sun goes down, and in the meantime, sit down here and cook myself up a steak. All right, so had a pretty uneventful night out here. Slept like a rock, nobody bothered me. Gonna kind of head along the Gulf Coast of the Panhandle towards a really cool spot I've got around Apalachicola. All right, so I'm in Crawfordville, Florida, just getting stocked up on food and water. There's a little bit of a dip in the Panhandle, so we're just gonna kind of follow that along the coast and then go upwards into Tates State Forest. All right, well, it's windy as hell. The wind's coming from that way, so this looks like the flattest spot out here. I think this is where I stayed last year. So I'm gonna bust out the stakes, just kind of work slowly and kind of anchor each corner of the tarp, just so I don't lose the whole thing in the trees. I just saw a flock of some kind of bird, some sort of a white bird flying through these trees. It was a good distance away. I couldn't really get a good video, but just everywhere are the sounds of wildlife and all kinds of stuff. So really cool. All right, it's about 9 a.m. The weather is a perfect 72 degrees. Just had a nice refreshing swim in the creek over there. So I'm gonna get this operation packed up and continue heading west along the coastal edge of the Panhandle until I get to Panama City Beach. right, so finally made it to Panama City Beach. Today's Tuesday, so most people are probably still setting up. I've never really had very good luck finding a good free spot out here. So last year I stayed in Frank Brown Park for most of it. So I'm just gonna head over there and see what's going on and hopefully find a place out there to camp tonight. You guys have a good ride down?
Yeah, man.
What's
Hey,
up,
Joey?
Jake?
How are you?
There he is, hard at work.
How you doing?
What's going on?
It's been a bit of a slow start up here for us. We're mainly
Yeah,
just
well,
messing with vendor bikes.
it's fucking Tuesday.
Oh, yeah.
At least you got something to do. Fuck.
That's right.
This is a John Deere bike, huh?
Yeah, John Deere goals.
Your bike running all right?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's doing okay. I gotta do a little work to it, but it's doing okay. Oh, I had an idle air control motor go out, so it's what controls the idle, like when you're pulling the clutch in or come to a stop or whatever. So if I could be going 70 down the freeway, and if I pulled the clutch in, the bike would die.
Really?
Yeah. Or when I came to a stop.
Huh.
Anytime that I wasn't actively under throttle.
I saw you drop
How
by
you
earlier.
doing, brother? Yeah.
We didn't get into it 3 o'clock last night. We got a new setup. No more box truck.
Okay.
Folks, the help quit, I guess.
Oh, really?
It's been 2 hours.
Do you have
They
a...
said they'd be back in 15 minutes. They were going to go get some food. So we got an extra help coming. I guess they walked out. They didn't want the money.
I think he went to go get a beer or something.
or something.
Yeah. Hey, we got the same earplugs. And you, too, lost one of your original black ones and replaced them with cheap ones from another one.
Yeah.
These work great, don't they?
Dollar Tree for $1, you can get the cheap ones.
There you go. That still got
this
the
one-
tag on it, too, man.
Yeah.
What the hell?
It pisses him off. He's just going to take the tag off. I said, I kind of like that there. I know which one's left.
So that works out pretty good. You got your hammock up there.
Been doing that for years.
Is
Well,
that-
I had an accident and they told me this year. I fell out on the knives, but
Who makes the hammock?
you know, it's my left
Okay,
ear
that's-
sleeping in it though.
One of the good ones, yeah.
11 years. So I mean, you can't beat it.
You find it easy to sleep in that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
As you see, I sleep it this way. I pull it tight, and I've got my pads here somewhere. I put it
Okay.
in there and I lay down flat.
So you just got what, a strap up there?
Yeah.
Okay, just a,
It's
you
those
just,
0 G
okay.
straps, and then you
Yeah.
can reverse it and do it like this in here. This is a 2-person because it
What?
can wrap around me. Yeah, pull it. I mean, you can put a full-size air mattress in it.
damn,
Yeah, it's 2-person.
That's-
500-pound capacity.
500 pounds if you get a fat chick.
I don't think the tent will hang on to that.
I just found this nice little spot. This is gonna be one of those kind of deals where I wait until after sundown to come in and then leave about sunrise. I have a feeling some people are gonna be walking their dogs through here, but you know, from sundown to sun up, it should work just fine. All right, I was gonna put it right there, but that's pretty obvious. So I hiked back in here a little bit, and now I'm kind of clearing this out, which will be a little bit more private. All right, just getting up out here. It's about 6:30. As predicted, nobody bothered me. I'm pretty well hidden, I think. There was a time difference. Actually, I gained an hour. Today's Wednesday, so before I really do anything crazy and exciting, I need to sit down in the pavilion up there, finish up my next video. A couple of more buddies of mine are coming into town either today or tomorrow, it sounds like. First things first, I'm gonna go over there and try to finish up my video.
All right, welcome to Thunder Beach 2024 here at Fairground Park. We are Kelly and the Healers. We're originally from Panama City Beach here, man.
Hey, what's going on, brother? How you doing, man? Good, man. Doing good. Too long no see. Yeah. Last time I saw you was in Sturgis, I think.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, a couple years ago. So I wish I could do that, what you guys do up there.
I've been doing it, man, so it's literally squirted out of my parents because they were both.
You came out with the bass?
No, I came out with the vocals and then bass started at 5 years old.
No kidding.
My parents are performers. All my brothers and sisters play and perform, so it's
born into it.
Born into it. Right now, music is going on in my head.
Wow.
People I'm talking to, and it's probably a song I'm writing right now about talking
that's fucking
to.
incredible.
Are most of your videos on YouTube now?
Yeah.
See the screen? Doesn't have a screen, does it? Oh, it's on your phone.
Hey, look at this guy, fresh out of Mexico.
So Joe's,
What's you doing up here?
Joe's schooling me on how to find good spots.
Right, he needs some work.
Yeah.
I can't believe he missed this one. It was right in front of you, man. Right in front of you.
Oh, it wasn't? It's way over here around the corner. I never come over here. There's this little road.
Yep, the only thing is the sand. Nothing
Sand
to,
ain't nothing for my stuff.
well, nothing to cover your tracks, unless you kick the sand over, I guess.
Well, nobody's going to be looking at that. This is his spot.
This is my spot.
Look at this, right in the middle of everything.
All right, this is Carson's bike. Did you put that the kind of crash bars on there?
They come with it when I bought it.
Oh, really? Those are nice.
Pretty size, ain't it?
Next up to the stage, contestant number 6, Lana. This is Lana's 3rd year competing with us. She loves being able to compete because being around all of these girls is nothing but a great time. Her greatest asset, her whole self. Because why not? She's the whole prize. But let's not forget Gabooty. Okay, you know what? They didn't pay for the OnlyFans package, so turn back around. They don't get to see all that for free. You gotta pay for that.
Shouldn't you be doing something about now?
What are you doing over here at my house?
This is your house now?
I sold one book and I'm not even selling books. A guy came by and asked for one. I have some here.
I got one of your books autographed. Yeah, you wrote it to me. You said, to Joe, from your biggest fan. I think I detected a note of sarcasm on that.
That's what I said, huh?
No, it is a good fucking story, man. Really good story. How you guys doing?
Oh, busy.
Been busy?
Busy, yeah.
He's happy because he gets to change tires.
Yeah, it's just your dream job, isn't it?
Yeah, it only gets better.
He's not
It
really,
only gets better.
dude, he's not really smart. He's one of these new age kids. They don't know much. I think it's open.
Scotty, it's easy right there.
That way goes through the sand.
Yeah, it's not just a little bit.
Yeah, it's narrow too. See how narrow it is?
There's an opening right there.
All right.
This 850 speed shop, kind of bike night sort of a deal. Lots of people hanging out, having a good time.
It's nice to have that 6 gear. Yeah. Gets lighter when you zoom it in. Watch when I go closer, it gets darker.
All right, yet another tire puncture. I've been riding on a plug for the last 1,400 miles or so. Got another hole. I don't see a visible nail or anything in there, but I'm gonna fish around in there, try to plug it again. I've never ridden on 2 plugs at the same time in the same tire, but I've definitely heard of people doing it. I know it's possible. That just about winds it up for Panama City Beach, spring 2024. That plug seems to be holding up, man. I mean, I'm a little bit wary about riding a tire that's got 2 plugs in it, but like I said, I've heard of guys doing a lot more than that. Anyway, it's getting absolutely hotter than hell out here, so heading north out of here and gonna try to get into some better weather. So as always, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. And as usual, I've included an optional donate link in the drop box for anybody that might like to contribute to this project. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.